Hello beautiful people, my name is Iziko and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Iziko Live Show. As always, we have Iziko out and about and career-wise, but first let's start with what's trending. On what's trending, the EFF had its 4th birthday celebration last Saturday, and the leader, Julius Malema, made some very controversial remarks. One of them was that Indian business owners are worse than Afrikaners. I don't know, I think that's a pretty controversial thing to say, Malema, but let's check out what you had to say on Twitter. And then also on what's trending, the eThekwini municipality spent over 100 million rand on the upcoming Essence Festival. Some people were complaining that this is way too much money, and others were saying it's adequate. So let's check out what you had to say on Twitter. This week on Career-Wise, we chat to chemical engineer Lemanshni Govender, who's actually a postgraduate from DUT, and she's currently a process technician at NCP Alcohols.
I'm Lemanshni Govender. I studied chemical engineering at DUT, and I'm currently a process technician in the projects department at NCP Alcohol. So I started as an in-service training as chemical engineering in-service training at NCP Alcohols in 2010. And thereafter a position came up in the company for chemical engineering, and I was taken in the projects department, so I've been there ever since. What I do on a daily basis is project management when it comes to engineering type of projects, predominantly chemical engineering. So we look at process optimization initiatives to try and drive more output in the plants. We look at troubleshooting. We look at installations of new equipment on site, upgrading our site. So it's project management and process design of all those sort of things. There's quite a lot of other females that I work with. Yes, it is a majority male dominated, but it's, I love it. We do a lot of teamwork with the other males, and they are very mutually respectful. And our company is strongly drives respect for males and females. There is employment equities that address issues like that, but I haven't experienced anything negative. I think there's a lot of benefits that both males and females bring to the table, especially when it comes to engineering. My diploma at DUT, and thereafter I did my in-service training for 12 months, and thereafter I did BTech over 2 years part-time because I was working. So it literally just took me 4 years of theoretical study to get to where I am today. If you enjoy science and if you enjoy maths and technology, and if you would like to have a challenging career, because there's never a boring day in what I do. There's no 2 days that are the same, and your projects are changing all the time. You're interacting with different people all the time. You're learning new things all the time. So if you want to have a challenging career in which you're learning stuff all the time, then yes, I would recommend chemical engineering.
We were at the KZN Industrial Technology Exhibition, which took place at the Durban Exhibition Centre. So let's check it out.
Day, the purpose of the exhibition, it's a trade show to bring all sorts of different industries that operate in KwaZulu-Natal, end users and purchasers of equipment in touch with manufacturers and suppliers of equipment, so the two can interact and mingle and get to know their supply chains, and hopefully purchase new equipment, source new products and new services from our exhibitors that are attending here this week.
To add on to that, we will obviously be bringing certain features back to the show which have worked really well this year, such as our free to attend seminar, which is powered by Simeki. And we're also in conversations to rehold the LIASA conference, which is a lifting conference.
I didn't know what to expect, no, but it's going nice, huh? it is. I'm enjoying it. A lot of people to meet, a lot of products that are out there, and it just creates awareness, and it's just a networking environment, for end user to meet supplier, to meet buyer.
And now yesterday became official, we are now owned by Twin Savers. Oh, very, very well.
It's nice. We're learning new things, learning a lot of technology, things that we didn't know, latest technology. So it's nice.
Hi, I'm Jason Kumar. I go to George Campbell, and a group of us are here at this exhibition to experience what technology is about nowadays and to get a good idea of what to go into. And I'm here to see what I would like to go into after school and study towards it.
Wasn't that just enlightening? And from politics to expos, on Iziko we have it all. But unfortunately, that's all we have time for today. And until next time, I'm your host, Nkosazana Tambuza. Remember to stay blessed.